Now that we have prepared our clay paste and the rosy water that we have created right here, I would like to explain to you how you can use this. Now, when you go to your bathroom, please make sure that you soak in water for 10 to 20 minutes maximum. And then you can start by pouring warm water on your body and on your skin. Do not use it right away. And when you feel that you have relaxed and your skin is warm and soft, you can just start using the clay right here. You can take a little bit or too much, depends where you want to use it. And for example, you can start and rub it all over your body, okay, in circular motion. You can even use it for your hair if you like to, as a mask. Now, let me remind you again that this is suitable and doable for men, women, children, and everybody. There is no difference. You can use all the things you like and there is no difference. It's going to be the same result. It's very suitable for every type of skin. Do not worry if your skin does not match. Then if your skin is dry, if your skin is sensitive, your skin depends on the type of body you have. It's not a problem because you can use this. It's natural. You don't have to be afraid. There are no chemicals, no artificial products. This is nature made. Okay? And so when you use this, of course, you're just gonna have to leave it like a mask. Do what the rest of your usual bath procedures and routine. You can go do whatever you like and leave this mask on your hair and on your body, okay, for several minutes. And after that, you can actually wash it, okay? You can just completely wash it, of course, by using the loofah right here, okay? You can rub all the clay that you have used. You can rub it off with this and then you can wash your skin and your hair, and trust me, you will be definitely amazed with the results.